good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of Medicaps Innovation and Incubation Center and E-Cell of Medicaps University, I, Dr. Anjali Soni, welcome all of you in today's webinar on orientation session on innovation. First of all, I am pleased to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Dilip Kumar Patnaik, Professor Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.K. Panda, Registrar, Dr. Pratimam Yadav, all the deans, all the head of the department, head of MIIC, Dr. Sarita Kansal, head of E-Cell, Professor Ramjam Singh, all the faculty members and all the participants. Medicaps is one of the brand names in the arena of technical education and is contributing in making Indore an educational hub. Since July 2000, Medicaps aims at creating an ideal ambience for budding technocrats and helping them to grow like true professionals. In year 2015, we got the approval from UGC to be a self-financed university and admission for same started in 2016. Since then, we have included many courses other than engineering like management, agriculture, pharmacy, design, commerce, science, arts, etc. Since we have created our own brand in Central India, till date, more than 12,000 students have been passed out from Medicaps and are working globally, and 7,000 students currently studying in various programs. Now about MIIC. Medicaps Innovation and Incubation Center was established in the year 2018 with the aim of provoking innovation and baking startups. We believe in setting the stage for energetic and aspiring entrepreneurs. We encourage talents and innovators, and opportunities provided to the potential change makers of the industry, thereby contributing towards a positive change. MIIC supports technical ventures and lab stage innovations. This paves the path for potential business ideas to reach the market. Now, we have with us our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Dilip Kumar Patnaik with us. Thank you so much, sir, for joining and for your motivation. Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor is an accomplished academician, administrator, and management professional with 3 decades of experience in private and public enterprises. Sir has unique combination of skills, experience, and expertise to take any education institute to the next level of excellence. He has proven experience in managing professionals, a global expert in quality assurance and accreditation, a strong analytical mind with an aptitude to excel in difficult and challenging conditions. We are so much blessed to have a leader like you, sir. It's my immense pleasure to invite you, sir, for motivational talk. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Anjali ma'am. Yeah, good morning to all of my faculty members, Dr. Anjali, Dr. Sarita Kansal, Ram Janam sir, and all my fellow colleagues and all my dear students. This is a very good noble job this my team is doing on this under the innovations. With the students, we are aiming always coming to this University of Higher Education. We are aiming to do good in our life. Usually, we have been brought up in such an environment that everywhere from our day beginning or from school days, expectation is built up. हमारे ऊपर प्रेशर आ जाता है और कुछ नहीं कहते बड़ा होके बच्चा कुछ बनेगा. What we will do and what we will become and when we grow up. So one thing comes in our this mindset, and we've been taught in our family, in our school, in our friend circle that he will do a good job, a white collar job. एक अच्छा होके अच्छा नौकरी करेगा. So this is the mindset we have been brought up with this. This is not your fault. This is not this is a fault of mine. And this is a fault of my generations. We people are expecting a lot from you. ये एक engineer बनेगा, ये doctor बनेगा, ये lawyer बनेगा, ये बनेगा. So that means he will do something. A good this good employee he will become. So that means we are creating some sort of mindset in your mind, in this young minds that you will become a good servants. You can serve that, but we are not implanting anything to have the ownership. Why not you become a good owner? Why only a good worker? So if you do good and read well and you they qualify some sort of ICS or something or IES, you will become a good engineer. Tomorrow you will become a chief engineer and engineer in chief. So is that a life? Is that the only thing in this? you have something of your own also. You have something of your own idea also. You have something of your own dream also. And what you will do when you join a job, all your dreams, you have to close it up. You have to shut the doors on that. आपको लगता है ये नहीं है, and you have to work on this. What are the vision of that company? And this, you have to walk the life of the mission of that company. And in a way, I can say that you will put your life signature on the dotted line. उस कंपनी का जो भी मिशन है उसको फुलफिल करना, उस एंटरप्रेन्योर का जो ड्रीम है उसको फुलफिल करने में हमारा पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाती है. So is it not a big thing or a good thing if you can dream of our own? Something हम खुद भी बन सकते हैं और कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, और इसको एक हम एंटरप्राइज कर सकते हैं. एंटरप्राइज ऐसे नहीं आता है, एंटरप्राइज इज अ माइंड सेट, और इसके साथ साथ कुछ इनोवेशन भी होनी चाहिए. इनोवेशन मतलब कि ये नहीं है कि आप अचानक हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं टुमारो यू विल बिकम ए थॉमस एडिसन, यू विल डिस्कवर समथिंग. इट इज नॉट दैट. Innovation is something, it changes the routine way what you're doing, making your life simpler or making the things easier. You do something, you may propose some sort of instrument, you may propose some sort of the process, you may propose some sort of the facilities also. It makes the life easier. So that is innovation. Even innovation, if you're speaking something, in what way I can speak, or in what way I can translate it, and what way I can make it more effective, that is also innovation. So everything innovation comes in this, and innovation is nothing to do with your formal education. इनोवेशन ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसके पास बड़ा बड़ा डिग्री हो वो भी होगा, और जिसका जैसे बाल सफेद हो जाएगा तब इनोवेशन कर पाएगा, और ही इज हैविंग दिस मैच्योर माइंड, और इसमें लोग उसको बहुत पसंद करते हैं इसलिए वो इनोवेशन कर पाए, ऐसा नहीं है. इनोवेशन इज इन माइंड ऑफ एवरी पीपल. ओनली थिंग इज दैट we have to give some set of opportunities so that he can feel open, और उसको leverage करना है उसको ऊपर आने के लिए. So this, you have a very good platform here. Dr. Sarita Kansal is working very sincerely with his team, and Dr. Anjali is there, Dr. Sanjay is there, Dr. Ramjanam is there. They are providing and encouraging the students. Why don't you come up and give up your not give up, this leverage your ideas so that we can work upon that. होता है ऐसा है कि sometimes something you speak to your friends, बच्चे उसको मजाक उड़ाते हैं, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. Everything is possible. Why not? What of the silliest idea that can become a also big boon and big boost for this society if you really work upon. So here you have to have a platform here, and the Medicaps is also inviting and also encouraging you to come and share your ideas, do something. ये तो पढ़ाई होता रहेगा, that is a routine thing. Beyond routine, fulfill your dreams. ऐसा हो सकता है one innovation if you do, that is the rest of life you will have an accomplishment. There will be nothing कि आपका ऐसे कोई भी नहीं रहेगा कि मेरा कोई रह गया. The people will remember all your innovation. So my all young friends, be this, feel free, come up, join your team, and you are good lieutenants. You are in a good hands. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivation and the kind words, and to grace the session. Thank you so much. As we all are here to attend a webinar on orientation session on innovation, we have with us today's speaker, Dr. Sarita Kansal, Professor in charge, MIIC, and Faculty of EC Department, Medicaps University. Dr. Sarita Kansal has 18 years of teaching experience. She is expertise in machine learning, signal processing, analog and digital communications. Essentially, she is working on design thinking. I am so much pleased to invite to MIIC Professor in charge, Dr. Sarita Kansal, to have an insight on orientation session on innovation. Over to Dr. Sarita Kansal.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much for such a nice introduction. Today we are gathered here to understand what is innovation and why it is important for each and everyone. Because when we will not do the innovation, it will really be difficult for us in the coming time. Why? Because it is very much necessary. And you won't believe that without innovation, you cannot survive in the market in the coming time. So I would say that it is a demand of the current scenario. And if you really want to make your good impression on the market, then you have to do the innovation. So today we are gathered here to understand what is innovation, what is the importance of innovation, why it is necessary, and how the people are doing innovation in nationwide and worldwide. So let's start our session. I will start with the very famous quotation of the great scientist Albert Einstein. He says that we cannot solve the problem by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. And we really need to understand the statement which is given by the Albert Einstein, that most of the time what we do, we apply the same thinking process to solve any problem or to analyze anything. Let me tell you one thing very clearly, that things are not constant. It is keep on changing. Whatever is today happening, it is going to be past very soon. It is going to be history very soon. And the future is going to come. So what I mean to say, that the things are keep on changing. It has changed in the past and it is going to change in the future. So we have to be dynamic enough to understand this importance, and we need to develop that thinking level, that how we can approach some problem and how we can find out the smart solution of it. So we should first understand what is innovation. One statement which needs a lot of thinking process is doing things better or doing better things. There is a jumble of the sequence of word is only changed, but it really giving a great meaning. Doing things better, it means whatever things are existing, we are trying to do in a better way. But doing better things. So we need to decide that what things we need to do and how we can do in a better way. If I will check the little meaning in the Oxford English Dictionary, it says that innovation, it makes changes in something established. जो चीजें 20 साल से 10 साल से चली आ रही हैं, उसको हम उसी तरह से लेके आगे जाएं, it is not necessary. The young minds required to change that process because the things are moving very fast. And if I will follow that the same pace of doing the works, then we will be very far behind of it. So we need to make the things to be better to utilize, especially by introducing new methods, new ideas or products. So to understand what is innovation, let us discuss about the difference between invention and innovation. So what is innovation and what is invention? If I will talk about, I will explain you with one very famous example. Everybody knows about the company Apple, and you might be using the products of Apple very proudly. If I will ask you, who is the founder of the Apple? 99% I am sure that all of you will answer that the Steve Jobs is the founder of the Apple. But I have to correct you all. There is the two founder of the Apple company. Why Steve Jobs have become famous? Because he did the innovation. And there is a one person behind this. His name is Steve Wozniak. He is also the co-founder of this company, Apple, and he is the inventor. He invented this Apple products. I would say that he is the first person who have designed he was an engineer, and he has designed the first personal computer in history. One of the first personal computer in history. So everybody knows whom? Everybody knows the person who has done the innovation. Nobody knows who have done the invention. And being in the part of Fedicaps University, we are lucky enough that we have the combination of both. We can make the combination of invention as well as innovation. Steve Jobs has a good marketing skill. He was a great businessman. Whenever any invention took place, if it will not be applied to the large mass, or if it will not reach to the common people, then that invention will not lead to the innovation. Many invention takes place worldwide on daily basis, and simply they go into the dustbin if they will not be innovated properly. So I hope it is clear to everyone that what is invention and what is innovation. Moving ahead, that why do we need to do innovation? हमें innovation क्यों करना चाहिए? As I have created the base also that the things are changing very rapidly. If we will talk about the market, if we will talk about the situations and the scenarios, जो अभी present है, it is going to be the past. So what we need to do? First of all, we have to change our mindset. The way we have brought up, as our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir has said very correctly, that is not a fault of yours or ours, because we have brought up like that only. But there is not too late. We can always change the things. So what we need to do? We have to keep our eyes widely open. Should be very vigilant and good observation. We have to be very observant about the things. We have to find out where the peoples are getting difficulties. We can make the threats into the opportunities. If we will talk about our country, we say that we are in 130 crores in population. And people say it's a threat for our country. So why we are not converting this threat into the opportunity? Just imagine if 130 crore people of the India will take a tiny steps, then India will move with 130 crore of steps. We don't have to do the big things. Just start with the small things. And I can assure you, once you will change the mindset, once you will change the thought process, ideas will start coming in your mind. That is for sure. So to be understand this in a better way, that what went wrong with the Nokia. Now people are not purchasing the mobile phone of the Nokia. We are going for the other companies, but we are not following. Now the Nokia is not producing the new phone that will be based on the Nokia. He was doing, earlier he was the king of a mobile phone. If I will talk about the year 1999, the annual revenue he was generating, it grew from 6.5 billion euro in 1996 to 31 billion euro in 2001. Their market share was nearly 31%, twice of that any competitor. And if I will talk about in 2012, the company's share price had slipped below $2 from $56 at its peak in 2000. So what went wrong with the Nokia? Nokia was doing very good innovation, but the sense of urgency they have not understood. Once they understand, they would have understood the sense of urgency, then they definitely would compete the market. This is the very statement is given by the former head of the design at Nokia. And then what went good with the Samsung? Samsung, it understands the sense of urgency and switched from keypad phone to smart mobile phone. and Nokia was a bit late in that race. So dear students and dear participants, innovation is very much necessary in our every walks of life. Whatever we are doing on our daily routine, in our 24 hours, what we are doing, how we are doing. If something I am doing and it will take 5 hours to complete that task, with the help of the innovation, you can reduce that time from 5 hours to 3 hours. That is also an innovation. Everybody is getting 24 hours. Then how we are spending that 24 hours? So in every business, every walk of life is experiencing change and its pace is increasing. And here innovation plays an important role. I understand the mindset of the student, what they want. They want a good job. They want a handsome salary, leading your life comfortably and if possible, settling abroad. Nothing wrong in it. But I can tell you one thing, if you will change your attitude and mindset of doing the innovation from your academic time only, that is going to increase or enhance your value in your job also. You will be identified uniquely. You will be identified different from others. And that's what we want. Every human being wants themselves to be unique, themselves to be very famous. Nothing wrong in it. But this is the only way you can make yourself different from others. Now you might be surprising that why I have kept this slide. There is a tsunami in the technology. We talk about the machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, big data, IoT, and so on. But are we converting those technologies into the business? Are the common people are getting the benefits of this technology? Until and unless these technology is not converted into the innovation, not converted into the business, then we are not doing anything. You can see from the slide, business is growing as its usual pace. And there is a tsunami in the technologies. Then what's the advantage if this will not be transferred into the business? So it is really very important that if this technology will be transferred, and that can only be possible with the help of innovation. If we will not do the innovation, then it will not be transferred, and the more and more tsunami in this technology will come. Now, to understand this innovation in a more better way, we will go through some real-time innovations which people are doing and we are very much observing in our day-to-day life. Innovation can be of any type. It depends upon your thought process where you want to do the innovation. Why we want to go to Walmart, Best Price, Metros and all there? They have done the innovation in economics of scale. What they have done, they have purchased the goods in the bulk that really they have to pay a very less amount, and then they are providing the benefit to the customer as well. If I will buy the same good from the common shop or from the common grocery shop, and if I will buy the same thing from the Walmart, you will find out the price difference. And then what you prefer? You prefer to go to Walmart, Best Price, Metro, but don't prefer to go to your nearby shop because there is a change or there is a difference in the rates. So this is one kind of innovation. So economics of scale can be of many types. Like these are the example of buy in bulk. It can be efficient production, reduction in promotion cost, spread risk, cheaper capital, reduction in logistic cost, and it's not limited to this only. It will depends upon your thought process that where you want to do the innovation. Next example we will take, a type of innovation is a regional brand equity. Do you know why the burger, pizza, these are famous in the India? And why our samosa, kachori, poha is not famous in other countries of the worldwide? Because we have not done the innovation. Whatever locally things are available, we are not nationalizing it. We are not providing that the market, we cannot see the market worldwide. हम क्यों नहीं ऐसा कर सकते हैं? क्यों मैकडॉनल्ड ने ऐसा किया? Why we cannot make our say of Indore to be famous worldwide? So, because we are very much lacking in our innovation. We are not giving the thought process, we are not vigilant, we are not observing the things, what happening worldwide, what happening nationwide, what happening society-wise, and what happening campus-wise. We have that mindset of only clearing the courses, getting the marks, I have cleared, I have get the degree, I will get the job, that's all. I am finishing my career. I have put full stop from myself only. I don't want to grow. I don't want to make a famous people. I don't want to make myself to be known by something. So this is another type of innovation, that is regional brand equity. You can see the Bagh Bakri tea, which is generated by the UP. Now it is covering the other states also, and so on. There are the many examples that you can search also. Now the innovation is also taking place by national sentiments, Swadeshi Apnao. What Baba Ramdev has done. And people with the sentiments or emotions, they are buying the products. Now this company is of 10,000 crore of revenue. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing? Are we sleeping? Another type of innovation, that is repeat business. It gives long-term values. Like India today. You might be knowing, or if you are not knowing, then ask your senior person from the home that India today is coming from the decades and still the people are subscribing this magazine. So how we don't have to do the innovation or the business for one time. There also innovation required. In each and every walk of life, innovation is required. Trade secret. This is another type of innovation. It means whatever the recipe, whatever the process I am following, I am not going to disclose that. Like if I will take the example of KFC or Coca-Cola, it's very tasty. If you prefer non-veg, then you go for the KFC and you really like to have the products of KFC. But they never reveal their secrets that how to cook this recipe. Similarly, the Coca-Cola. And you know the KFC, the founder of the KFC, he started at the age of 65. So it's not like that if I have crossed some particular age, now I cannot do anything, then it's not like that. Age is no bar. You can do innovation, you can start innovation at any point of time, at any one fine day. But again, I am repeating, for that, your thought process, your mindset should be of that level. Manufacturing efficiency. Why these McDonald's products is so famous in India because it takes less time to cook. You don't have to wait for a longer time in the outlet of the McDonald's. As soon as you go there, within a minute or two, your product will be ready with you. So this is another type of innovation. Now, everybody knows about Amazon. I am very much sure that we all are using the Amazon to buy the products. Online service, घर में अच्छी खासी delivery हो जाती है, whatever products we want. You know what they have done? They have built the sales and delivery channel innovation. They have created the platform. They have started their business with the sales and purchase of the books. And when that purchase of the book from the Amazon is successfully running, they have come out with a Kindle for the book lovers. And they have not stopped themselves here only. They have started the outlet in Amazon Go. You don't have to be in a queue for a longer time to pay for the bills. You just have to put your mobile on the scanner, automatically the bill will be deducted and you just come out of the shop of the Amazon. And still they are not stopping here. They have started with the drone home delivery system to provide the quick service. We always appreciate what people are doing, but we never put ourselves into that. We don't have caliber, we don't have capability. We equally have, but we don't want to change ourselves. We don't want to change our mindset. Whatever things is history, we are just following that. This is the main problem with us. Another innovation, revenue model innovation. And these innovations, especially, don't have to put a large amount of investment to start their business. What does Spotify have done? Do you know? This app is designed especially for the music lover. If you want to listen only one particular song, then earlier what you have to do? You have to buy the whole CD or the pen drive or the things which you have to pay that much cost to listen only one song. Then what Spotify have done? He has created the platform that you listen to music as per your likeness, as per your choice, is free of cost. But you have to compromise with the advertisement. I will put the advertisement in between. आप अपने पसंद का song सुनिए, but बीच-बीच में आपको compromise करना पड़ेगा with the advertisement. And you know, in 2019, they have 6.7 billion euro of revenue model. They have generated the revenue. Can you imagine that? Then they have come with the Spotify Premium. Here they have providing the membership with some minimal cost. So worldwide, people are doing many things. So if we will talk about the innovation, there is the many types of innovation. आप जो innovate कर लो, वही एक नया type बन जाएगा. So the innovation can be relationship innovation, it can be business model innovation, it can be workflow innovation, system delivery innovation, then distribution innovation, value innovation, supply chain innovation, price responsive innovation. Next, what will be your innovation? And from whichever native place you belong to, I should say you start your innovation from that place only. Don't think that you have to move out from that place, and if you are living in the village, then you have to come to the town, you have to move from town to city, then metros and all. No. How our country India will grow? The India will grow parallelly if each and every village, if each and every town, each and every city will grow parallelly. And it's a really very huge responsibility on our shoulder that how we are fulfilling these responsibilities. तो आप जिस प्लेस से बिलोंग करते हो, आप इनोवेशन वही कीजिए. You provide the facility to those people because you understand that place in a better way. You understand what type of problem people are facing. You understand that what facility they needed. And that will be your innovation. You don't have to find the job. You will be a boss of yourself. Everybody, I think, like to be boss of yourself rather than be an employee. I hope I am right. So a very famous quote which is given by Swami Vivekananda is, take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerve, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. And this is the only way of success. And it's really a very deep thinking. You need to read these lines again and again, and you should analyze it, what exactly it is saying. We can talk hours on these lines only. Basic problem is that we are not thinking. Whatever things comes to us, we are just trying to do that. We are not putting the things into the thought process, what is right, what is wrong, how I want to lead my life. Are we set our mission and vision of next 5 years, 10 years? If we will invest today, accordingly we will get the returns in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the line. तो आप क्या इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, इस चीज का ध्यान रखिए. अगर आप आज का इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका अच्छा होगा, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द रिटर्न्स इन द कमिंग टाइम इन अ बेटर वे. So we will have, I hope now is clear to everyone that what is innovation, what is going on worldwide, nationwide. And you may think that who will help me out to do the innovation? Who will guide me to do the innovation? How to do the innovation? एक मैंने आप लोगों को glimpse देने की कोशिश की है, और in details if you want you can contact us at any time. And lot many initiatives is taken by the government of India to promote the innovations. चाहे वो hand holding हो, funding and incentives की बात हो, या फिर incubation की बात. If I will put the statistics about the government which they are running, like I would say the 4,000 plus startups have benefited in the last year through various programs of the central government. 960 crore of funding has been enabled to startups through various schemes. 828 crores sanction funds for infrastructures. So government is putting its efforts, but that efforts can only be executed properly if my dear participants will come forward. And there are the many type of supports. अगर आपको पता है अगर स्टार्टअप शुरू करते हो तो 3 साल तक आपको टैक्स भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. They are giving you the funds to start your startup. They supports you in IPR. They supports you in legal supports. And there are many more things. It was not possible for me to put all the things in this webinar, but there is lot many things that the government is taking the initiative. These are the top 10 schemes of the government which they are providing. You know, if we will put the solar panel on our terrace, the government is giving subsidies for that also. Still, we are not taking the advantage of the solar panels. How many of us we are having the solar panel on our terrace? The Startup India, they are going with the Startup India. We have, the government have this Atal Innovation Mission, and there are many more. Then what initiative is taken by the Medicaps University to promote innovation? आप जहाँ से belong कर रहे हैं, वो आपको कैसे help कर सकता है for innovation, incubation, entrepreneurship, and so on. Medicaps University established Medicaps Innovation and Incubation Center in the year 2018. And we have also added the courses based on innovation and entrepreneurship in our CBCS system. We have collaborated with Wadhwani Foundations. Medicaps University is a member of IIC, which initiative is taken by the central government, MHRD, and Institute Innovation Council. It is supporting with a lot many advantages. We have developed the infrastructure in the campus to support incubators. For executing any idea or any startups, we are going to provide you all kind of supports. Then we are conducting many programs periodically to create awareness and motivate students. So you can always anytime you can contact us, you can get associated with the MIIC, and at the level of our best, we can support you, we can assure you that we will find out some or the other way to implement your innovation. So at the end, I just want to appeal all the participants that to start with the innovation, we need to first change our mindset. And it is very necessary on our daily basis as well. And believe me, once you will change that mindset, then definitely as a person, you will get the advantage of it. So that's all from my side. Thank you all of you for the patient listening. If any questions, we can take the questions. जठार सर, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए पहले.
Okay, so participants are requested to give their feedbacks about this program. The link is given in the chat box. So before leaving the meeting, any questions from the participants? कोई questions, कोई queries हो, you
Okay,
can ask regarding.
Sir,
Yes.
Dr. Maledas sir has a query.
Definitely.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yeah.
सर आपको उनको अनम्यूट कर दीजिए.
एक मिनट, आप भी कर सकते हैं मैडम वहीं से.
मैं कर रही हूँ. जी जी.
हाँ हाँ.
Wait a minute, sir.
Please.
Okay, sir.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very energetic talk on these innovations. Really, we get many informations. Madam, should I ask one question?
Sir, please, I will be privileged.
Today we are facing the epidemic situation of corona.
Yes,
everywhere there is a mentally pressures and different things that we have. So what should we do in this situation? How can we increase the innovations in this situation? Because all are in the online classes, we are doing our job from home. So how can we proceed in this situation?
Sir, because of Corona, there is lot many threats are coming. If we will talk about Corona wastage, if we will talk about how to connect the people, there can be relationship innovations. You know, the people are getting emotionally very weak during this Corona. How? So we have to find out, because of Corona, what type of people, what type of problems people are facing. And that problems we can take and we can come out with the ideas. You can float those problems among the students, among your colleagues, among your neighborhoods, and you will get so many ideas. And then you can start executing that idea. This is the start of the innovation. Once, because of the corona, जितने भी threats आ रहे हैं, हमको उनको opportunity में convert करने की जरूरत है. And from there, the innovation will start. I hope I have, you have got your answer, sir. We may take another question if anybody have.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Miller, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Please raise your hand if you have any query regarding the session.
Regarding the session, regarding the
Presentation and regarding the
innovative
innovation
cell,
also. Okay.
incubation and innovation cell. Kindly fill the form. Okay, I think there are no further questions from the participants. So should I conclude, madam? With your
Yes, sir.
permission?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, madam. Thank you very much. Good afternoon to one and all. It was indeed a wonderful session. But before we close this webinar, it's time to acknowledge the efforts of all those who have contributed to this session, this webinar. Actually, innovation is the need of the hour, and companies engaged in creative, innovative products and services today stay ahead in the competition. Persons with innovative ideas are always successful in jobs and as entrepreneurs. I, on behalf of Medicap's Innovation and Incubation Cell, sincerely thanks Dr. Sarita Kansal for sharing this valuable information and making it interesting by sharing many examples of the companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, KFC, and many more. She also provided information on the finance options available for the startups. On behalf of Medicap's Innovation and Incubation Cell, I sincerely thanks Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. D.K. Patnaik for his gracious presence, for his guidance and motivational words that I am sure have impacted our participants. His vision inspires us to work hard consistently. I also thanks Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. D.K. Panda for his support and motivation for the event. Thanks to Dr. Pradyuman Yadav, Registrar Medicapes University, for his all-round support, which led to smooth conduction of this webinar. I also thanks Professor Ram Janam Singh, Head E-Cell, for all his support to organize this webinar. And I also thanks all the members of MIIC for their supports. Lastly, but not the least, I would also like to thank the members of the supporting team, Mr. Suryakant Soni, Ms. Payal Somani, and Mr. Gajendra Singh for their back-end support as always. At the last, but not the least, I would like to thank all the participants who made this webinar successful by their participation. With this, we come to the end of this webinar. I once again request participants to fill the feedback form by using the link which is provided in the chat box. Thanks, Dr. Sarita Kansal, once again. Thank you.